Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how to convert a normal video to 4K Ultra HD in Capcut. So let's start. So I have Capcut already opened here and I loaded the footage that we're going to convert to 4K. Now what we're going to do first is go to adjust and go to brightness and lower it down to -7. Now go to contrast and increase it to 7. Drop saturation to -5. Increase exposure to 5. Bumped up sharpen to 100. Under HSL, increase the saturation to 27. Increase highlights to 9. And tap the check mark. Alright, now here you can press on the back button and go to overlay. Tap on add overlay. Now choose this one. Alright, so here you can add this to your timeline. Let's try and rotate it to 90 degrees and let's fill up the entire section. Now tap on splice and choose overlay and decrease the value to 35. Okay, now you can drag this layer to align with the end of our clip right here. Okay, after this, tap on the button that says 1080p and increase the frame rate to 60 and the definition to 4K. Now tap on the export button and just wait for your video to be exported. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.